So if you're trying to stream on Discord and you're getting some sort of error that says stream failed, here's how to fix it. So the first thing you'll need to do is to click on the user settings icon in Discord and then scroll all the way down. Now click on advanced, and then you want to make sure to disable the hardware acceleration if it's already enabled. And if it's disabled by default, you should try to re-enable it. And this will require restarting your Discord application. Next, you want to go to the voice and video tab, which is this one, and then go to the video tab from the top and then scroll all the way down and make sure that the advanced technology to capture your screen is turned on, which is this option right here. Use our advanced technology. Make sure it's turned on like this, and you can also enable this experimental method for capturing the audio from applications as well if you want to. And then you can close out of this window and then join a voice channel. Now, if you want to basically test it, you can try to hold down Shift and then R, or Control and then R, and click on Discord, and it will basically refresh the Discord application. And just try to stream again or share your screen in a voice channel and see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, you will need to close Discord completely. Click on the taskbar here, right click on Discord and close it completely, or go to the task manager and find Discord and close it by right clicking on Discord and end task. And then you want to restart Discord as admin, right click and run as admin. And then you want to basically join a voice channel again and try to share your screen. And this should fix the issue of the stream failed to start. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.